Evening, sir.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
So, good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Sir,
Good
tomorrow
evening.
class is there, sir.
Yes, Amma. Tomorrow class day.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, tomorrow Vinayaga Chaturthi, sir.
So, but more application is there, Amma. So when I finish, huh, can you do problems? Charan?
Tomorrow, sir.
What the problem is, sir?
Mm. So in more application in physics, had more applications there. So in application also within that timings, I'm going to finish, and numerical problems also needed, na. That's right.
We can give less time, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to take tomorrow. I think other subjects, I think so, no, na.
So chemistry we don't know, sir.
But biology classes, no, sir.
Okay. Physics tomorrow I'm going to take class, Amma.
How much
So,
time, sir?
Sir, keep little time.
Amma,
Less time. Reduce the timing, sir.
why?
Yes, sir.
Some students only saying sir not teaching Narayana problems. So Mallikarjun said, sir said to me, so you may teach Narayana problems also. So when I completed Narayana problems, so sir, I'm asking same question, Mallikarjun sir. Sir said to me, you may take extra time also. Like that, sir said. You only decided. That's why I'm going to take class. You only decided. So I'm not pressure on you. You may practice problems. Then
Yes,
I
sir.
will take
Tomorrow we
less
discuss
time.
problem.
Amma,
Yes, sir. Tomorrow we discuss some problems, sir.
today we are going to discuss some problems based on last class and the previous class. Two classes completed now. Based on the topics, we are going to discuss numerical problems. Tomorrow I'm going to take class. Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here, everybody open your Narayana books. Page numbers. Everybody open Narayana books. Alternative current exercise 1. Alternative current exercise 1. Please open.
Question number, sir.
Here, just a minute. I will. Why not opening? Okay. See the question number 1. Exercise 1 class work. Question number 1. This is the question number 1. Can anybody read?
May I, sir?
Yes, sir.
In an AC circuit, the current.
So first option is in phase with the voltage. First option is in phase with the voltage. Second, it means current and voltage, some phase difference is there. So whether correct or wrong, you may select it. So second option leads the voltage. So maybe it's leads. So next third option lags the voltage. Yesterday we discussed 3 points. No phase difference, lag, and lead also we discuss. So in the fourth option, any of the above depending on the what is that?
Circumstances, sir.
Here blurring is there. Circumstances. So here It means depending on circuit only. Here say sometime phase difference is there, sometime that leads the voltage, that current leads the voltage, sometime current lags the voltage. Yesterday we discussed, right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why fourth option. Now second question.
The average EMF during the positive half cycle of an AC supply of peak value E naught is
E naught is. So here can anyone tell me, already I derived average, I average current is equal to, in half cycle, full cycle is equal to 0, half cycle is equal to 2 I naught by pi. I derived yesterday, last class, previous classes. I derived or not? Average current.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, E average should be is equal to also 2 times of E naught divided by pi. Yesterday I wrote E is equal to E naught by root 2. E RMS is equal to. I derived I RMS is equal to I naught by root 2. Similarly, I wrote E RMS is equal to E naught by root 2. Similarly, here also I average is equal to I naught 2 I naught by pi. So here the E average should be is equal to 2 E naught by pi. Here the E naught nothing but here the peak value. Now, what is the answer?
fourth one, sir.
Now, what is the answer? Fourth one.
Fourth one.
So, like that, third question, fourth question, fifth question, sixth question theory only, seventh question also theory. So, you may do. So, here, eighth question also, you may do theory question. Now, ninth question.
The RMS value of potential due to superposition of given two alternating potentials E1 is equal to E naught sin theta, sin omega t. Sir,
E2 is equal to E naught cos omega t will be first option E naught, second option 2 E naught, third option E naught root 2. It means root 2 E naught, fourth option 0. So here, now E1 is equal to, what is the E1 amma? E1 is equal to E naught
naught.
sin omega t. So E2 is equal to E naught cos omega t. What they asking here? Average. So RMS value they asking. So how to find the this value? What is the phase difference between these two equations? What is the phase difference? This is a cos function, this is a sine function.
90 degree.
90 degree. So that's why shall I write here the resultant nothing but under root of E1 square plus E2 square. That should be is equal to under root of E naught square sin square omega t plus E naught square cos square omega t. So this is the under root. So you may take out common E naught. So E naught square you may take out common. Here sin square omega t plus cos square omega t. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So under root
E
E
naught.
naught square nothing but here the E naught. Is it clear? Okay now. Could you follow me what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Okay now. Is it clear? Now what is the
Yes, sir.
option? What is the option here? First option they given E naught. Second option 2 E naught. Third option root 2 E naught. Fourth option 0. Which one is the correct?
E naught.
E naught. Now question number 10. Now question number 10. So if the instantaneous value of current is I is equal to 2 cos of, here the I is equal to 2 cos of omega t plus theta. Theta or pi? Okay, theta. Theta ampere in a circuit, the RMS value of current in amperes will be. So here the IRMS is equal to how much they asking. IRMS is equal to how much they asking. So what is the equation number? IRMS is equal to here the I naught divided by root 2. Yesterday I derived this one, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here the I naught value nothing but here this is a I naught value. Clear? This is a I naught value.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So yesterday I derived I is equal to I naught to sine omega t plus some phase angle like this.
Yes,
Okay
sir.
now. So that's why this here the I naught nothing but peak value. Compare these two equation. I naught is equal to how much? How much?
So
2. Substitute here 2 by root 2. What is the answer?
root 2.
Root 2. Check it key. So which option is correct?
Second option. Second option.
Second option. Similarly, 11th question. Here the what is the question? The electric current in a circuit is given by I is equal to I naught small t divided by tau nothing but total time. For that tau is nothing but here the constant value. So for some time, what is the RMS current for the period t is equal 0 to t is equal to tau? So here the equation. So I is equal to 2 I naught to small t divided by tau. This is the equation. So what is the RMS value? So is equal to how much? At t is equal to 0 to t is equal to tau case. This is the limits they given here. The t is equal 0 to t. These are limits. So here the so yesterday I derived like this IRMS is equal to under root of integral of T1 to T2 into I square dt. Already I derived last class. I derived or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay now. So here I is nothing. I value how much? How much they given? And divided by changing time interval also. So this time here T1 is equal to 0, T2 is equal to this tau. So here delta T nothing but T2 minus T1. So now this I value is nothing but this I value you may substitute. Do it and tell me. If not getting, I will do. Please do it. Simplification only. Please do it. No problem. You may try it. If not getting, I will explain. Do it or shall I explain? Do it or shall I explain? Please respond. Hello, can you hear me? Charan?
Yes, sir.
Do it or shall I do?
We will try, sir.
Okay, listen, I will do. So under root of, so 1 by t2 nothing but tau, t1 nothing but 0, integral of 0 to tau. So here the I square nothing but this value whole square. So here the 2 I naught into t divided by tau whole square into dt. Here t only variable, this one is a constant, this one also constant, you may write out of the integral. So under root of 4 I naught square divided by, here the tau into tau square, shall I write tau cube? Here the tau square, here one tau is there, shall I write tau cube? Could you follow me?
Yes, sir. Tau cube.
So integral of 0 to tau, here the t square into dt. So already we know the integral of x power n into dx, x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. If limits is there, no need to write plus c. If no limits, you may write plus c. Do you follow me what I'm saying here? So here the t power. So here x nothing but here the x nothing but here the t, here the n nothing but here the 2. So now tell me, compare these two equations and tell me IRMS is equal to, now tell me 4 I naught square divided by tau cube. So now tell me, shall I write t cube by 3 because 2 plus 1, t power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, 0 to tau, 0 to tau. Could you follow me? Could you follow me?
Yes, sir.
So under root, so under root of 4 I naught square by tau cube into, yeah, higher limit is a tau and lower limit 0. That's why no need to write lower limit, higher limit only you may write. So tau cube divided by 3, lower limit 0, that's why I don't write. So this t cube get cancelled under root of 4 I naught square divided by 3. This one shall I write 2 I naught divided by root 3? Shall I write like this? Shall I write? Could you follow me what I'm saying here? Now check it options. Option there or not? Our answer is there or not? Our answer is there or not, Amma?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Which option is correct? Which option is correct, Amma?
Fourth option, sir.
Fourth option. Similarly, question number 12. Read, Amma. Can anybody read this question?
If an alternating current of frequency 50 Hz is flowing through a conducting wire, then how many times does the current become zero in 1 second?
So you may find first of all how many times. So here the what is the frequency value, Amma? Frequency is equal to 50 hertz, right? So time is equal to 1 by frequency. So time t is equal to 1 by frequency. T is equal to 1 by 50. So what is the time value? Now what is the t value? Simplify and tell me.
0.02.
0. Point 0.02.
02.
So 0.02 seconds. So here the for 0.02 seconds 2 times so current become to 0 according to question they given like this. Yes or no? Is it clear? 0.02 seconds 2 times. Here 2 is there na. 0.01 seconds only one complete oscillations. 0.2 is nothing but here how many is there? 2 is there. 2 times become to 0. Is it clear everybody? But what they asking here? 1 second is equal to how much? So that 1 second is equal to so 1 by total time 0.02 into how many revolution is there here? How many oscillations are there? 2 oscillations there. 2 oscillation. Now what is the simplification? What is the answer final value? Here point cancel, here the 200, here the 100. So how many times are there? 100 times. Did you get my points?
Yes, sir.
Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now check it the here the question. So which option is correct?
And option.
Third option. Now question number 13. So read question number 13. Charan, read Amma. Charan. Okay, I will read. So the equation of alternating current is given by E is equal to 158 sine 200 pi t volt. So full stop. The value of voltage at t is time t is equal to 1 by 400 second is. So 1 by 400 seconds, how much voltage they asking? The value of voltage nothing but capital E value they asking. So capital E is equal to they given one equation. So this is the equation. What is the equation here? So E is equal to so here the E is equal to 158 into sine of how much 200 pi t they given. So here the t is equal to they given according to 1 by 400. So this value you may substitute here. So that E is equal to 158 into sine of 200 pi t nothing but 1 by 400. So 2020 cancel, 22 cancel. Sine of 90 here. Sine 90 value how much?
1.
So what is the E value? E is equal to how much?
158.
Check it is the key. Option there or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay now. So next question number 14. No, sorry, 14. Question number 14. Read Amma.
A generator produces a voltage that is given by V equal to 240 sine 120 t volt, where t is in second. The frequency and RMS voltage are
Frequency RMS voltage.
RMS voltage.
So here the frequency RMS voltage they asking. Here two questions is there. So here they given where potential. So V is equal to they given 240 into sine of 120 pi t. So here they asking what is the value where t is in second, the frequency is equal to how much? Frequency is equal to how much? So angular frequency is equal to 2 pi f. From this one, f is equal to omega by 2 pi. Omega is equal to how much? This equation you may compare. So here the E is equal to E naught to sine of omega t. You may compare. Or V is equal to V naught to sine of omega t. Yesterday I wrote this equation. That's why I wrote. So compare these two equations. What is the omega value? What is the omega? Omega is equal to how much? Omega, compare these two equations. This equation and this equation. Now tell me. What is the omega? Identify first.
120 pi.
Yes. 120 pi divided by 2 pi. 120 pi divided by 2 pi. This is the pi. So here the frequency. So here the 125 by, sorry, 120 only, not pi. See here, question they given here 120 only, 120. So no need to write here. It means here the 120 divided by 2 pi. So now simplify, you will get the frequency value. So and second question, what they asking here? ERMS they asking. ERMS or VRMS potential only. So RMS voltage they asking. RMS nothing but V naught or E naught divided by root 2. This is the equation. So here the compare this one. What is the V naught value here? What is the V naught value here? What is the V naught? Compare to equation. What is the Amma?
240.
So ERMS is equal to 240 by root 2. Now simplify this value and this value. Now tell me. So here the how much frequency, here the RMS voltage is equal to how much? Simplify and tell me. And check it the options. Simplify and tell me. Calculator. Pi value you may write 3.14. 3.14 into 2. It means approximately 20 is there. So below 20. Below 20. Check it frequency below 20. Which option is there? Hello? Here the no need to calculate.
Third
Just
option.
third. You may identify here the 2 also below 20 is there. Second option also 19 hertz. Third option also 19 hertz.
Yes, sir.
My point. So next go for EMF voltage. Sorry, RMS voltage. So RMS voltage 240 divided by root 2. 1 by root 2 value, please you may remember 1 by root 2 is equal to 0.707. 1 by root 3 is equal to 0.537 or 57 or 5 approximately I think so 57. So or 0.5. You may remember these two value. Better to remember. So easily calculate. It means below 240. Below 240. So that's why first option not correct. So according to frequency value, fourth answer also not correct. So 120 nothing but. So if 1 by root 2 value is equal 0.5, so here the second option correct. It means here the 0.7 value is there. It means more than 120 and below 240, in between them. In between, here satisfied 170 and frequency value 19. That's why third option. Otherwise you may calculate. If you do simplification, it will take some time, extra time also. Sometimes you may compare like this also. Time saving also important. Time saving factor also important. Could you follow me what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Now here the what is the answer? Third option. 19 hertz and 170 volt. Okay now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now here also 15th question you may do. So here I is equal I1 sin omega t plus I2 cos omega t. So here they asking what is the RMS value. So what is the RMS value? Under root of this square factor only, squaring on this current only. So already I explained IRMS is equal to, so IRMS is equal to under root of I mean square. This is a I value. Square nothing but I mean square. So here the I mean square is equal nothing but here the I1 sin omega t plus I2 cos omega t whole square. This value you may substitute, you will get the answer. But what they asking here? IRMS. IRMS is equal to, simply I am going to write I divided by root 2 or I naught divided by root 2. Here this is the sine function, this is the cos function. That's why here the phase difference between these two is 90 degrees. So here substitute these values, you will get the answer. You may do, if not getting, you may ask. Could you follow me what I'm saying here? Could you follow me what I'm saying here? Could you follow me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So question number 16. See the question number 16. Read, Amma. Can anybody read?
The instantaneous values of current and voltage in an AC circuit are respectively I equal to 4 sin omega t and E equal to 100 cos omega t plus pi by 6. The phase difference between voltage and current.
So phase difference between voltage and current they ask. So here you may write what is the equation here. So here the I is equal to 4 into sine omega t. Here the E is equal to 100 cos omega t plus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 they given. So here the I value sine function, E value cos function. E nothing but voltage value. So in induced EMF value is cos function. This cos function I am going to convert into sine function. That's why here the 100 into sine of this function shall I write sine of 5 by 2 plus omega t same value plus 5 by 6. Shall I write this equation? Shall I write in terms of sine function like this? Any value changing? Any value changing? Is it clear, everybody? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now, this one also sine function, this one also sine function. So this one I'm going to remodify. So 100 into sine of omega t plus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 6. 5 by 2 plus 5 by 6. 5 by 2 plus 5 by 6. So here the 6 take out LCM. So here the 3 pi plus here the pi, total 4 pi by 6. This value shall I write 2 by 3. Shall I write 2 pi by 3 here? Yes or no? Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Means, so E is equal to 100 into sine of omega t plus 2 pi by 3. Now this is called phase difference, na? This is the current equation. This is a EMF equation. Compare these two. How much phase different here? This one only, na, phase different. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Phase different is equal to 2 by 3. So check it options. Option there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now like that, can you do remaining problems? Like that, can you do remaining problems?
Yes, sir.
I draw this graph. The current graph between the resistance of conductor with frequency. Yesterday I said this graph. Which graph is correct? First, resistor connecting with AC EMF. That case, R value and here I'm going to draw that diagram one more time here. So here the frequency value or angular frequency value x-axis and resistance value or inductor value y-axis. If resistor connecting, this is a graph, saturation graph only. So whenever they hear capacitor, so xc is equal to 1 by omega c. That's why here the decreasing like this. So xl is equal to omega l. It means straight line. Now according to this graph, now tell me which graph is correct. Read and tell me. The current graph between the resistors. Which option is correct?
Fourth option.
Fourth. Which one am I here? Resistor. What is the fourth option is nothing but here XC. Fourth option XC. XC nothing but which one is a capacitor graph. Now compare this graph and this graph, compare. This is the resistor graph and this is a XL graph. Now this is a XC graph. XC nothing but connecting capacitor, XL nothing connecting inductor, R nothing but resistor. Here which one is the connecting? Resistor or capacitor?
Resistance.
So tell me which graph?
First one.
First one only correct. Same question. Resistance replace inductor. Which option is correct? Same question. Resistance
Third.
replace. Third option. Very good. Same question. Resistance replace capacitor. resistance replace. So fourth option. That's why yesterday I said these graphs very important. Now understood? Now getting yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Can you do remaining problems?
Yes, sir.
If not getting, I will explain. You may take one photo and send through WhatsApp. If not getting, I will explain. Okay, now tomorrow I'm going to take class same time. Evening only 4:50 to
Five
6.
Okay, sir.
4:50 to 6 o'clock. I'm going to take class, not problems. You may do remaining problems. If not getting, I will explain. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Could you follow me what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Today class, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.